qashi labaqashe khona ulandlord athi uhlaleza la uthishere ngempela uyamcheka lo mntwana. Uze walwa nomfana wami la endlini, umfana wami emtshela ukuthi angasaphinda zelalo endlini. Sathi sicela ukuthi next time ayizile bathathe i-video, imoto. Bathathe i-video, sathola umngani walo mntwana. Naye lo mntwana, umngani walo mntwana waba yi-witness. Wathi umngani walo mntwana, I think waqala ke manje eba open give. Wathi mama, uthishere waqala ngami, waqala ukushela mina mangenza ugrade 8. Ngathi wawuna ngaki? Wathi ngangina 12 ngizothana 13. Guys, imagine umntwana ona 12 ozoba na 13 ukuthi kusasemanzi kangakanani. Ngathi mangibona yena lo ona 14 lo mithi ona 15 ngithi ithanga lakhe lalingana nengalo yami. Mina ngangithi mhlambe umuntu yabona osidudlanyana mhlambe uthi mangithi umntwana twana. Sayingena kanjalo sathola ukuthi safanele ukuthi sithole ke ama neighbors. Umama ngitshela ukuthi waphika umama walo mntana. Wathi le mntana one boyfriend yakhe. Sathi sicela ukubona i-boyfriend yakhe. Mayingabe uthi lo mntana umthiso akamithwanga uthishere. Sicela ukubona i-boyfriend. Ike yavela i-boyfriend. Sahlala ke kuthishere. Safaka ku-social development. Angithi umama uyaphika ke bayaphika in most cases because bayabenefita kulento. Safaka ku-social development. Sathi sicela ama-DNA umntana mayevela. Sangena ke samshanga imithetho yonke uthishere esikoleni because uthishere akavunyelwanga nje ukuthi after school hours abe nomntwana. So uthishere because lama video lawani esesiwabonile sicela bomakhelwane ukuthi basithathele uma efikile uthishere yabonakala ngabo ma-6 endaweni la ezocheck umntwana. Sathola lo ma video lawo umthetho uyamkhaba ke lapho ukuthi akakwazi yini la ekhuluma nomntana after lo. You won't believe sathi sibabizile isikole i-SMT kona ku-school management team bathi abanye bothishere sicela ukuconfess, sicela ukuthi ingaqhubeki, siya confess, we are one of them. So ucaba kusuthishere oyi-1 baningi abothishere la abalala nabantwana. Sayilwa ngayenza sure ukuthi he gets dismissed, he's removed out of the system. Waphuma esystemini. Guess what? Yes, sometimes mina e-country yethu yabo lento yama-podcast, lento esishoyo lento yama-podcast nalo bhuti o-entertainer ama-ex-convict, like bayaba-televisa laphaya. Then I said to myself, okay, uJub ugijimisa abajolayo abachitayo. Xolani ugijimisa abama-drugs. Let me go and sell this idea. Ngahamba ngaya kuMojalaf. I sold the idea to them. Baba ngathi ba-excited bathi si-pilot ngathi khululekani. Abothishere nginabo abantwana already sengine-list. Ngithi ngisabalindela namhlanje ukuthi bangifonele back ukuthi si-pilot. Udoti bayakwazi ukusidlalisela wona e-TV. But izinto ukuthi ze-affecta thina abantwana bethu, because that was me to say we are having this problem. Ize yathi district, some guy odila ngama-SGB. What yazi kimi sis, let me tell you, this is not the only school. And akusukula iSoweto nje kuphela. The whole country, nationwide. It's a big problem into abothishere abalala nabantwana.
And abana age limit.
Yabana ndaba.
From standard 6 to matric.
Can you imagine ukuthi umntana ona standard ofunda standard 6 phela kusesekuncane una 13. Now here's the thing. Athi umuntu labantwana nabo bazilahlela. Ngathi I remember one of ama producers aseMojalaf, that's what she said. Wathi but labantwana don't you think ukuthi bayazilahlela? Ngathi ngicela ukuthi ubuyele emuva. Let's go back. You're a woman. Isitshele mauna 15 16. Ngathi isitshele mauna 15 16.
Ufethe sicela isicimele iradio siphazamisa.
Alright, skis. Yeah, sengiphume.
Yeah, sister qhubeka. Sisiyaya qhubeka.
Sisters.
Shawa network.
Akaqhubeke sifuna ukulalela kahle lo thisha.
Shawa network but ngiyathemba uzobuya uphumile. In the meantime ngicela sinikeze uTibo touch. Tibo touch.
Okay.
Wula kabahle bafethu.
Sharp uzithi.
Hayi grand kuwe.
Wula
Hayi
bafethu.
so. Sharp.
Bafethu ngiyayizwa into enringa ngayo. Yazi lento le isihlasele indawo zonke, more especially emakasi yabo. Mina ngila eDlenke yabo. Ikasi lami la eDlenke nakhona nathi sinayo inkinga kanjeni noma kungahingeningi ezikoleni kodwa yenziwa abajita abadala abasurroundini yabo. Abanye sebephumelele babhizi kakhulu nezingane ezincane. And into ebabhlungu isikhathi esiningi ngalento le ukuthi abazali bazo lezi ngane basuke beyivuna ukuthi kunezinto abayizuzayo from labajita abakhulile abenza lezi zinto. Abanye baze bayimithise, so uyabuka ukuthi ezweni le justice system yayo na isifeyile kakhulu, but lento uma cases amaningi isuka emakhaya yabo. Isuka emakhaya kubazali bethu yabo nje le ndaba yokuthi abantu bezale besebancane bekhulisa izingane bebancane, vele izingane ikhula ihlala ne stepfather kwenzeka amanyala, so ingakhi welela kunoma kubani noma ikanjani yona iyalimaza lento le.
Yeah.
Yabo bafethu. Yeah, so
Yes.
inzima because even nama counselors okay sengeke ngwagxeka kakhulu but nje abantu abadala basemphakathini abayiphakameli naye. Kunezinto abayiphakamelayo mina engasiyo. Mase lezi ezisile idinga ukupay attention to zona yabayinaki. Abayinaki impela.
Yeah.
Yabo so kunzima kona kulelizwe lethu bafethu. Kunzima impela.
Nginetsomani la. Sibhekene nenkinga la madoda. Yazi ngicela nje uke ngibeke nama amabili ambalo bafethu.
Okay.
Lento ngizoyiqala nje kothisha. Sonke la ngenkathi nathi sisafunda mfethu. Sasiyibona yenzeka lento. And sicacise futhi lento phakathi kwabantu bebonkana akubona bonke othisha abakwenzayo lokho. Akubona bonke othisha besilisa abakwenzayo kodwa ngendlela esibuka ngayo nangendlela ekwenzeka ngayo kungazathi iningi labo liyayidlala lento leyo ukuthi belale nezingane ezincane abayifundisayo esikoleni. Bafethu before siqhubekela phambili nginikeza ithuba lokuthi before nginikeza ithuba lokuthi niPaul ngifuna ukucacisa into esi-ignorant towards yona eyenzakalayo ngalesenzo sethu siwobhuti abadala ukuthi silale nezingane ezincane esinikeza imali ngoba nako abazali benga-afford ukuyinika imali. Number 1 lengane leyolala nayo lapha izongamhloniphi ubaba wayo noma uma wayo endlini kubo ngoba ilala nomuntu olingana nobaba wayo. And lo muntu olingana nobaba wayo ukwazi ukuyinikeza imali ubaba wayo angakwazi ukuyinika yona. Lo muntu lo ukwazi ukuyilalisa kuma B&B.
Yeah.
And kukodwa lokho kukhanda uqhekeko kwefamily. Yekela ke mase kuthiwa usuyikhulisile lengane because isikhathi esiningi labafowethu abenza lezi zinto lezi statutory rape lezi ngane bafike bayiphempare ngemali makusasemnandi encenga ukungena lapha ngaphansi kwephenti lengane. Mase kutholile lokho akufunayo ingane isikhulelwe bayayibalekela lezi ngane. Izingane ezalwa yilezo ingane zikhula zingenabo baba.
Yeah.
Majority alabantu abadala mfethu siqala nje ngabo uthisha ngifuna futhi ukuxwayisa kakhulu labafowethu abasanda ukubuya eMavasithi abenza i-teaching ukuthi ngiya-understand ukuthi lezi ngane ezinye zibukeka ziwontanga ziyintombi kubona kodwa ba-understand ukuthi laphana kudingeka ukuthi ube professional makulesa space akusona isidleke sokuyozingela iy'ntombi lesi bafethu yazi bathi ukulimala komqondo ukulimala komzimba wonke if lengane le isilimele engqondweni lala nothisha number 1 ukuyikhandla kwayo ezifundweni zayo kuzokwehla ngoba isizo expect ama favors from lo thisha
yeah nje ama assignment
and abanye othisha basebenzisa vele leyo nto ukuthi hayi ngizokuphasisa letter guys ilokhuzana i-justice system yethu la eMzansi ihlangane no Department of Education no South African Police Services no Social Development lento ye statutory rape kumele kube yinto esiyithathela ekhanda manje baningi mfethu abantu besifazane ababulawe i-depression bebancane be-infectwa ngama-HIV beshiwa ney'ngane ezingasupportwa ya understand labo bantu besifazane ba-end up bephelela ey'potini bedawa otshwala babekade bene-possibility or i-capability ukuthi bengaba ama-academics ngelinye ilanga but ngoba kwaviolate ukuba yingane kwabo bafethu asivumeleni izingane zibe yingane yabona makuthiwa izingane ezididisana zodwa it's fine asike sivumeleni izingane zibe yingane
mara nala mahrotmane athi phela ukukhula phela ucocana nomntwana omncane nje wanga 80 something uzococa nomntwana o2005 ucocana ingane
exactly
my
noma phela ngiyazibuza phela nami benginabo ubuthisha labo bashoyo laba babuye emavasi abaye baze futhi babakhanselisa ama-career abo omunye wagcina ayekelile evasi noma bekathandana nomntwana okay waba ngithisha omncane umthisha ona 24 25 2019 watholakala ukuthi weekend utholana nomntwana esikolo bamkhanselisa vele i-career yakhe ke vele bese kusele 1 year ukuthi aqedeke bekenza ama-practical emva kwaloko watholakala ukuthi weekend nge-NSFAS ngelo ngebhazari yakhe utholakala eklabhini nabantwana akabafundisayo as much as bosho ukuthi bese babanani advantage ukuthi when comes assignment ubhalelwa ngithisha homework everything vele baphasa for free
exactly because
but after matric labo girl labo bakhona namanje umunye utoha kuphi la e-studio but umatric wakhe wafela dismal vele noma from grade 10 to grade 12 vele bekuyikhondo end of the year nje kuba amakhondo okay uyaphasa ugeli akalove uphasiswa nama class work but when comes the paper 1 trial yamshaya
wazini
but sengiyayibuka lento ke okay even nami namhlanje bengikhula nga 26 angeke ngikwazi ukukhuluma nengane esenza ugrade 10 ugrade 10 ngwenze 2015 ngizoxoxa naleyo ngane noma phela manje kufunakala impilo kufunakala ibudget sengizoshela i-student umntwana osagcoka ibhakania how come
exactly because
so ngiyazibuza nami ukuthi umuntu ango 8 umtholamile esikolweni e-high school usawucheck umntwana esikole ucocana umntwana esikole lengaka asuse nje utshwala ke noma okay izinto bayithanda asuse utshwala nezinto ezimnandi ke boma Doritos chocolate asuse lo ucocana nayo lengane
Yasithanda abantu ne mina this is what I was saying when I went ngisho njalo ngase I lost because okay umsebenzi wami my line of business ne ngiye supply ezikolweni so ngisebenza nabo principal abaningi I lost a lot of friends zabo principal because kukhona nabanye babe stowed yabona benza yona lento kulala nabantwana ngathi kuba ngase ngabatshela sangibafihlela ngathi ngifuna ukuthi mawubona le mntana ubone mina ubone ukuluza ipension fund yakho understand because lento when I went to Emojala one of our producer wathi kimi but don't you think ukuthi labantwana abagqoki ba entizer labo t-shirt ngathi mina mamela nge last year yabo bo t-shirt when they doing their last year uma bezothola i-certificate sabo before bazothola because they get their diploma bese bathola certificate bayatshelwa whether he is 24 that guy ubona le mntana loyana uyiparent ke manje akasaso ubhuti akasasomfana. To whether he's 24, but to that 16-year-old uyi-parent, ufaneke ambone njengomntwana angamboni njengomfazi. I think it is just i-lust ukusa nje kwabantu ukukhala. You know, I think one of the things, maybe Emoja Love never entertained me because I think I was getting too personal now, to say to them, guys, ngicela ningicaba yabo ngizithatha ngizibuyisela when I was 16. Yabona umntana entombazana uma iqala angeke ngize ngikhulume ngomfana. Yabona umntana entombazana mawukhuluma mawuthena 15 16 kula uqala uthomba khona, you know, izinto ziyashintsha, you understand, emzimbeni. Usuqala uba nama crush nyana, yabona khona lo mfana nyana okuchazayo thina ke ngenkathi zethu kwakuyintanga zethu, you understand. Khona lo mfana uchazayo, yabona usuqala suyageza usuba lo. Now le mntana loyana ona 15 16, that is what she is going through, which is normal, ne? But kube nale the adolescent, she's going through adolescence. That's what I was saying.
Very vulnerable, Sisi. They are very
Now they are vulnerable, Nana, in that stage, darling. You understand? Now kube khona leya pervert ena 30 that is going to take advantage of a stage salomntwana lo that she is going through. When as an educator, fanele kube ukwazi ukuthi this person is going through a stage. I just need to understand lento go through yona. Mina fanele mina njengomdala
high schools, especially high